Let's make Kraken Eggnog. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the eggnog recipe from the Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Eggnog is a traditional holiday beverage that's usually lightly seasoned, made with dairy, an egg, and some booze. Most people think of eggnog as brandy, but if you go back to the older recipes, you'll often see rum in addition or instead of the brandy. Having said that, this recipe is going to be the Kraken Rum's version of it using their black spiced rum. I do have a recipe for making eggnog from scratch. It is here on the channel. I will link that down below if you want to go check it out and try from scratch rather than using something store-bought. A note on the rum. This is Kraken Eggnog, so we are going to be using the Kraken black spiced rum. If you want to make eggnog with a different rum, feel free to do so. However, then it's not the Kraken Eggnog. A note on the recipe. The Kraken Rum website actually gives units for this recipe, which is pretty exciting for me because often they just put parts. So that's very exciting. However, I have a question about the glass. The recipe text says highball or eggnog glass. I couldn't find an eggnog glass online. I have no idea what that is. If you do, let me know what it is in the comments down below, because I have no idea. Their picture shows a lowball. So highball, lowball, or eggnog glass, which may or may not exist. I'm going with the picture and I'm using a lowball. We are going to make this drink in the glass. I'm going to start with the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters of that into my glass. And I did put my fingers in those little loops. So annoying. Fancy, but annoying. Then 6 ounces of eggnog. And I do make eggnog from scratch. If you would like to learn how to make eggnog from scratch, the recipe is here on this channel. I've never used this stuff before. Well, I haven't used this in a long time. I'm gonna give it a shake. Maybe I didn't need to do that. 6 ounces is something in metrics. 6 times 3, 100. I'll put it in the comments down, or in the subtitles down below. Pour that in the glass. I'm gonna grab a spoon, which I cleverly forgot to grab earlier. And I'm going to give this a stir. Based on the amount of time it takes me to stir this, it may be worthwhile shaking. Give that a go and let me know how it turns out. Garnish. They suggest a fresh grated cinnamon. I don't have cinnamon to fresh grate, so I'm going to give a little shake of it. And fresh grated nutmeg. And I still haven't found nutmeg to grate, so grated it is. Not grated, but ground. And there you have it. Kraken Eggnog. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite booze for eggnog? Let me know in the comments. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. All you have to do is contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, do what you do on those things. Finally, since you've made it this far, give me a like for the Kraken, give me a subscribe for the Kraken, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any rum-based cocktails that I make. And until next time, cheers.